If you've spent 20 minutes chopping vegetables for a meal that takes 10 minutes to cook, you already know something's broken about how you're prepping food. Every week, there's a new tool going viral online promising to fix that, but most of them just end up in a drawer. So I bought 7 of the most viral time-saving kitchen gadgets right now and use them every single day for 2 weeks. No sponsorships, no hype. Just what actually saved time and what didn't. Hey, I'm Riley. I don't do reviews where everything is amazing and a game changer. If something's a waste of money, I'll tell you before you buy it. So let's get into what's actually worth it. Some of these tools look almost too simple to work, but a couple of them completely changed how fast I got dinner on the table, and one of them barely made it past day 3. Gadget 1. Microwave Steam Cleaner. You know that moment when you open the microwave and there's a crusted-on sauce stain from 3 days ago that just won't budge? I used to attack that with a sponge and way too much elbow grease. This gadget is stupidly simple. Water, vinegar, 2 minutes in the microwave, and the steam does the loosening for you. I tested it on the messiest microwave disaster I could create on purpose. The grime wiped off in one pass. This is one of those tools that looks like a gimmick until you actually need it, and then you can't believe you lived without it. Gadget 2. Chicken Shredder Tool. Most people don't realize how much time gets wasted shredding chicken with 2 forks. I timed myself doing it the old way, over 4 minutes for one breast, and my forearm was tired. Then I used this tool. 2 claws, a twist, done in under 30 seconds. If you meal prep chicken regularly, this alone saves you real time every single week. Gadget 3. Olive Oil Sprayer. You've probably done this. Poured oil straight from the bottle and used 3 times more than you needed. This glass sprayer solved that instantly. A light, even mist over vegetables or an air fryer basket. No mess, no waste. It's not flashy, but it's one of those quiet upgrades you use every single day without thinking about it. Gadget 4. Garlic Rocker. Peeling and mincing garlic is one of those tiny tasks that adds up to real annoyance over a week of cooking. This rocker crushed 3 cloves in about 10 seconds. No peeling required first. Cleanup was easy too, which matters more than people think, because a gadget that's a nightmare to clean just doesn't get used. Gadget 5. Multi-Blade Vegetable Chopper. This is the one I was most skeptical about because I've owned choppers before that just made a mess. I timed a full vegetable prep. Onions, peppers, carrots, the normal way first, 35 minutes. With this chopper, same vegetables, under 8 minutes. That's not a small improvement, that's a different kind of weeknight. Gadget 6. Herb Scissors. Chopping herbs with a knife always leaves them bruised and half stuck to the cutting board. These 5-blade scissors let me snip basil directly into the pan in seconds. Small tool, but it's the kind of thing that quietly saves you a cutting board and a knife every time you cook. Gadget 7. Instant Read Thermometer. This one isn't about speed as much as it's about confidence. No more cutting into chicken to check if it's done and losing all the juices. 3 seconds, accurate temperature, done. It's not the most exciting gadget on this list, but it might be the one I trust the most. So after 2 weeks of actually using these instead of just watching them go viral, here's the truth. Most of them earned their spot. A couple were nice-to-haves, not must-haves. The real test isn't whether a gadget looks cool for 15 seconds online. It's whether you still reach for it a week later. Out of everything I tested, which one would you actually use in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.